That's when your body is and your mind is trying to shut down, so you can get the proper amount of rest that your body needs. That's when it's mostly effective, and it helps with anxiety issues. If you have an over anxious mind, ooh, we got fog on the ground. How about it? Ooh, did you see that? I did. I can still kind of see it. So for about maybe 5 minutes, try to focus on your controlled breathing exercise, and just let me know how this is working for you. If you find that you're getting a better night's sleep, or you're able to fall asleep a little better. New positive energy consumes me. Old negative energy escapes me. Ooh, look at the fog. Ooh, damn. Wow. That's pretty cool. New positive energy consumes me. Old negative energy escapes me. New positive energy consumes me. Old negative energy escapes me. See, now I'm noticing as I'm doing this, I'm able to inhale deeper and fill my lungs with more oxygen. And as I'm exhaling, I'm letting out all that negative energy more completely so my lungs can receive more oxygen and breathe deeper.